Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and doing great in your studies at home. Today I am going to discuss the role of microstate in electronic spectra and their representation in form of term symbol. This is part 3rd of electronic spectra of transition metal complexes. In last video part 2 I have discussed how microstate is generated by the electronic interaction. As I discussed in last video that the in a multi-electron system there is an interaction between electrons and their orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum, and the result of that interaction is ms and ml, and the numerical value of this ms and ml, or the ms and ml representation, is called microstate, or in other words the different ways in which the electron can occupy the orbital specified in a configuration or called microstate. जैसे आप बचपन में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन करते थे, बट उस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन के कई सारे दूसरे तरीके पॉसिबिलिटीज भी होते हैं जिस तरीके से वो अरेंज हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल P2 कन्फिग्रेशन के लिए आप ये जानते हैं कि दो इलेक्ट्रॉन अनपेयर के फॉर्म में पैरेलल स्पिन के साथ अलग अलग ऑर्बिटल में प्रेजेंट होंगे. दैट विल बी ग्राउंड स्टेट, बट दैट बोथ इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन बी presented in more number of ways. There is more possibilities to arrange this electron. For a P2 configuration, there is 15 number of ways by which these two electron can be represented, and these 15 are, in other word, you can say there are 15 type of interaction is possible, and these 15 type of interaction generated 15 number of microstate or energy level, and the representation of that energy level is called term symbol. Here you can see for P2 configuration, there is 15 possibilities of electronic arrangement. First for that ml will be +1 and the representation of these microstate in a form of quantum number, that is called capital L, total angular momentum quantum number, and capital S, total spin angular momentum quantum number. So how we represent this quantum number in a form of microstate? This is represented as 2s plus 1 Lj. This is the representation of microstate, and in other word it is called term symbol. Term symbol is the representation of microstate, or in other word you can say it is the nomenclature of different energy level originated from the interaction of electrons. In a more simplified manner, J can be omitted and term symbol is represented as 2s plus 1 L. Here 2s plus 1 is called spin multiplicity, and S is the total orbital angular momentum quantum number. This is summation of small s. The summation of small s give m subscript s, and which change to the capital S. Similarly, L is total orbital angular momentum quantum number, and J is total angular momentum quantum number. J comes from the coupling of S and L. When we collectively use these quantum number to represent different energy state, then that different energy state is called microstate. So there are different ways in which you can define a microstate. Ultimately you can say that microstate is the representation of different electronic energy levels or electronic state in an atom or ion, and term symbol is the nomenclature of that microstate or representation of that microstate. Now, to describe the electronic spectra, it is very important to find the term symbol, to find the different energy level, so we can identify that from where to where the transition is happen. For that reason, we have to write term symbol for a given configuration. There will be one term symbol which will be ground state term symbol, and another and remaining term symbol will be excited state term symbol. For writing a term symbol, we have to keep some points in mind. For example, for a D3 configuration, for any given configuration, first you have to arrange the given configuration in ground state configuration, ground state electronic configuration. For D3, this is the ground state electronic configuration, and for this configuration you have to find the term symbol. First, second point, after arranging the electron in ground state, you have to find the spin multiplicity. Spin multiplicity is what? 2s plus 1. This is spin multiplicity, and capital S is summation of small s. So here 3 electron is unpair, means parallel spin. So each have plus half and plus half spin. Okay. So 2s plus 1 value will be what? Plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2, when we put here, it will be 3 by 2, 2 cross 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the spin multiplicity for this system will be 4. Now there is a shortcut by which you can easily find the spin multiplicity. That is what? Spin multiplicity is always plus 1 to the number of unpaired electron. Means जितने number of unpaired electron है उसमें एक जोड़ दीजिए, you will find spin multiplicity. Here 3 unpaired electron, 3 plus 1, so 4 will be spin multiplicity. So it means there will be 0. Suppose there is 0 unpaired electron, so there will be spin multiplicity 1. So you can say spin multiplicity will never be 0. Okay. Third point, after finding the value of spin multiplicity, you have to find total orbital angular momentum quantum number L, capital L, value of capital L. How you will find the value of capital L? It is the summation of small l. Small l means here capital L is the summation of a small l. Here 3 electron present in D3 configuration. So the L value will be plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. So for these 3 electron, summation of L will be what? 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the value of capital will be 3. And for 3, the L will be represented as such. L is equal to 3. The state will be F state. If L is value is 2, state will be D. L value is 1, state will be P. L value is 0, state will be S. Suppose L value is 4, then state will be what? What? G. If L value is 5, state will be H. If L value is 6, state will be I. So these are the state which is generated from the summation of small l. Okay. After getting the value of spin multiplicity and value of capital L, combine these two and find the terms and find the term symbol. So upon combining that, you will find 4f. 4 is the spin multiplicity, f is the value of total orbital angular momentum quantum number, L value. So L is 3, and for L is equal to 3 will be f. So this will be 4f. Let's assume another example. Suppose for a D4 configuration which is in a low spin state, means a complex of strong field ligand, there will be pairing of electron will be like that. So in this case, the spin multiplicity will be what? According to shortcut, the number of unpaired electron plus 1. So the number of unpaired electron is here is 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So spin multiplicity will be 3. Similarly, what will be the value of capital L? Capital L is the summation of small l. Small l value will be, there is 2 electron in first cell, for which small l value is 2. 2 plus 2, 1, 0. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 5. And 5 for 5, L is equal to 5, term will be H. So upon combining value of spin multiplicity and L, you will find 3H. This way you can generate term symbol, ground term symbol for different energy labels. These are the ground term, but when we arrange the electron in other possible configuration, then we generate the excited term symbol. For example, in case of P2 configuration, the term symbol for this will be ground term symbol, and that is what? 2 unpaired electron, 3 will be spin multiplicity, the value of L will be 1, so 3p will be ground term symbol. But this is for this will be also 3p, but for this will be not 3p, or for others, such as for this, here the 2 electron present in same orbital, so L value will be what? 2, so it will be spd, and both electron are paired, so multiplicity will be 1, so it will be 1d. So this is the excited term symbol. Similarly, you can write excited term symbol for other also. For example, here the value of spin multiplicity will be 1, because it is anti-parallel, plus half minus half, 0, 2s plus 1 equal to 1, and L value will be 1, so 1p will be term symbol, and this is also what? Excited term symbol, not ground term symbol. So for a given electronic configuration, there will be one ground state term symbol and another term symbol will be excited state term symbol. So by this way we will further see how transition take place from ground term symbol, ground energy state, to excited energy state. In next video I will discuss all these. Okay.